안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. This is me, Tita Micah, aka Micah Uni, back again for another unboxing of Twice albums and postcards for the Twice 5th or 6th anniversary rather. And I have here the Twice album. It's a set of 4 versions of the Formula of Love O plus T equals Heart. So both of the albums, or both of the of these packages were bought from Choice Music LA. I bought this separately with the set of posters. However, the posters haven't came in yet, and I have this for more than a week, and I really can't wait any longer to unbox it and see what's inside. And I want to put all my photo cards in my binder. And also, this came first. Before this is the postcards for the 6th anniversary, 6-year anniversary, and I'll be unboxing it as well. This is gonna be 2-part video, maybe 3, depending on the length of this video. Anyway, let's get started. So this one I have here just the receipt for what I ordered, and just a note telling me about the posters that will be sent separately. I already opened the box because I have to make sure that everything is in good condition, especially there's 4 sets here, and I paid more than $100 for this set, including the taxes and shipping fee. Alright, so I have here the Choice Gang stickers, and I got freebies, free gifts from Choice Music LA, and I'm very happy. Though this is not a official merchandise, official merch of, or official postcards and photo cards of Twice, I'm still grateful that they sent me this. I'm always, you know, open to this kind of stuff, and I love them. They were originally somewhere here, inside here, but I was curious what were they, so I took them out already. But the albums itself, I haven't opened them yet. And I'll show you this. This is a sticker. It's very cute. Now I'll be putting this on the laptop. And oops, everywhere. Anyway, for the postcard or photo cards, I have Jihyo, Mina, Jonghyun, and Nayeon. And for the back, they're all the same. It's the Choice Gang logo. And then for the postcards, I got 2 here. Oops. Momo, Sana, and Chaeyoung. And the back is like this. So for the postcards and photo cards, I have 8. I have each member except for Dahyun. Yay. And then these are the photo cards that I got. Or this is the pre-order photo cards. Yes. And the albums. Alright. There you go. I have the receipt. And of course the Choice Gang sticker. Put it aside. Alright. What's in here? Okay, you know what? I think I have another freebie. Wow. Wow, I got two things. Hey. So I got another freebies. This is Sana from I Can't Stop Me photo card. Choice Gang. And Nyan from Alcohol Free Europe. There you go. And oh, this is so cute. And this is the Happy Twice and Once Day. There you go. It's so cute. My favorite color is pink. So I'm loving this. Ooh. We have Nyan. This is so cute. I like her pink fringe and her dress. This is the back. She got a short message here, which I don't really understand, but I can, you know, Google it maybe. It's so cute. Then we have Jolyon. Love that dress. So cute. I will always say cute in here on this video. Giant's message. Mamo. Oh, you know what? There's a signature in here. What's so cute here? She's like a little child. Signature. Before we move on to the next one. Oh, there you go. That's the signature right there. Okay. And Jolyon's right down here as well. Right bottom corner. And then next one is Sana, of course. Signature there. And I showed you the back of Momo. I guess to once it. Right. Back to Sana. Happy Twice and Once Day. It's so cute. Ji-hyo. Oops, sorry. Nina. Dahyun. Welcome to Tidong Party. That's cute. Very playful. Jaeyoung, she's like a little girl. And Julie. There you go, guys. 9 postcards. Well, postcards, yes. This is so cute. They're all wearing, not all, but more likely they're wearing blue, except for Dahyun and Momo right there. Well, Momo has a little bit blue on her dress, but Dahyun, see, she's an exception. She's wearing orange. This one is kind of grayish pink, I guess, so she's not wearing it too. I guess Mosada. Oh, Mosada is not wearing blue. Anyway, we're all done. To the next one. And I'm excited to put this in my binder.